This is the Western Star 49 dump truck by Diecast Masters. You'd think with a name like Diecast Masters, there might be a little metal in here, but there is not. This thing is entirely plastic. It looks nice. The sounds are pretty good. The lights are pretty good, which I'll show you in a minute. I'll be doing an unboxing in just a minute, but I thought I'd give you a close-up view of it. It's a good size. I think it'll work well with my legendary wheel loader, which is also red, my excavator, but we will see. So that's the controller here. It's, to tell you the truth, it's pretty cheap controller for $239. I did expect a little bit more. I got this from Amazon. I'll have fun with it. I think, you know, I got an excavator and a wheel loader and this for my kids who are 6 and 8. So hopefully we use the others in the sand and the clay, and they worked pretty well. And so hopefully this, you know, do well there. I suspect it will be okay. My question to others would be, what else would you get for $200, $300, $400? Is there a dump truck that's metal that is better than this? I'd like to know. And now on to the unboxing. Hey, so today we're doing a open box of a Western Star dump truck. I've just got this. Okay, nice. Plastic. Here goes the plastic. Okay, so there it is. Here it is. So this is just plastic. It's loose. It doesn't do anything except for show. This is where it's lifting from. Alright, tomorrow we'll try it in the dirt. Yeah,